everything up here. Drive belt is off. Yo, that was crazy on my drive back. While I'm recording. See, y'all saw the... Man, bro, the drive belt came. That's what the noise was. So look. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. See how the belt's not on the pulley? Where's the belt at? See the belt? Oh, wow. Wow. Do you see that? The entire, looks like the entire pulley sheared off. Wow. That's crazy. I have to come back out and check this out, man. We got a little man riding on board. I'm glad we made it home. We got a little man. So, man, I'm glad we made it to the house safe, sound. Oh man, I'm gonna probably call George. I don't have no tools. All my tools are at the shop. I'm gonna probably call George, man, and see if he can swing through for me. And man, actually, I don't even know, y'all, because I was gonna say I don't have no tools, so we can fix that belt, but I already forgot, man. It looks like the whole pulley like completely sheared off. Oh, that's crazy. Man, I'm gonna put my sign up and I'm gonna come back out here and take a look, y'all. I definitely gotta inspect this one. You know, if I can't come out right now, I'll come out a little bit later when I get a chance. I definitely gotta look at it, man. He's asleep right now. So, you know what? He's sleeping. So I got the door open. It's breezy. It's not hot. Let's look right now. Let me pause this and then put my hair back so I can lean a little bit into the engine bay. And let's see what the damage is looking like. All right, let's see. Oh wow, look at this, y'all. It's the power steering pulley. Look, it's literally right here. That's probably hot as crap, so I'm not gonna touch it right now. But I'm gonna let all this stuff cool off and I'm gonna come back out here and take a look at this again. Wow. Ooh, so I gotta make sure that everything else still looks good, man. Everything else looks like it's good, like it's centered, it's where it's supposed to be. It doesn't look crooked, like it got bent or anything. This just looks like it completely walked out. It's crazy.
Can't get enough, 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 can't get enough. I said I'm tatted up, she like it though. She Billie Jean, I'm Michael Ho. I'm Young Prince, she Apollon, she bring it down. I make them all go. Can't get enough, 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 can't get enough. She J. Cole, can't get enough. She like it slow, I like it rough. She wanna talk, I wanna fuck. She bring it down, I work it up. Go.
I'm tatted up, she like it though. She Billie Jean, I'm Michael Ho. Or Jada Pick, I'm Will Smith. Fuck breast fake and I'm really shit. Till I arrived, she was celibate. At least that's what she keep telling me. I smash hoes for the hell of it. Putting nuts in their trunk like an elephant. My Juliet say, where art thou?